So guys, we have this is a laptop and it's not charging. So I can show you the charge light and you can see that there's no light on there. Now I am going to test the charger. There are different ways of testing these chargers, but this is just a quick way. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put the positive lead on the ground like that. You don't want to touch these two contacts together. So let's look at the meter. So as you can see, the voltage is not what it should be. Let's see if this is a problem. It's going up. It should be 19 volts. So I'm wondering, is there a problem with the charger or the laptop? It should be at 19 volts. Let's see. Let's see if it will stop. So as you can see, it actually stopped at 19 volts. The charger is plugged in and yeah, we're only getting, let me just turn off this. So turn that off, then put this at 20 volts. So already I know that the charger is bad, but we continue testing. So this charger is actually faulty, where it is charging the laptop sometimes and other times it is not working. So it's like it's giving you the voltage, but it is not giving you the amps. So this is actually faulty, and when you have a faulty charger like this, you have to be careful. And in some cases you can think that your computer is bad when it is just a charger. So guys, what I am going to do, this is a new charger that I have. So that is a new one. So the user explained to me that the charger charged the laptop, but it charged the laptop off and on. So guys, I plugged up the new charger. Right away we can see that it is charging the battery. So this one is a mystery, but it's a fix. You can see sometimes a charger can be partly functional and not fully functional. So I hope that this video was helpful in some way. So you want to be careful when you do something like this. The charger is partly functional. As you can see guys, it's giving us 18 volts. Well, I should just round it off to 19 volts. But this is bad. This is bad. It's not good. So if I plug the charger in, you can see that there's no light. So the charger is actually bad. The user said that it works sometimes, but it is actually bad. It's not fully functional. So guys, I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, let me know in the comment section below.